Hello students. In today's video of Matplotlib, I will discuss about how to design graph inside graph. Suppose the input values are np dot arrange. Let the values are from -10 to 10. 11 is not included, that's why I am saying -10 to 10. Let y1 is equal to x square and y2 is equal to np dot sin x. Suppose these are the two graphs. To represent the graph, we can write like this: plt dot plot x comma y1 comma, let the color is red. Similarly, for second graph, x comma y2, let the color is green followed by stars. Then plt dot show. This one was the first content. These are the two graphs. Suppose I have to design this green colored graph at this location or at this location, anywhere inside this particular graph. Then what to do? For that, we have to initialize figure is equal to plt dot figure, then first graph dot first graph is equal to figure dot add subplot. Suppose the location is 111. What is the meaning of 111? It means I am covering just one block, first row, first column, and only the first position. Then gr1 dot plot x comma y1. The first color is red followed by circles. This one is the first graph. Suppose I have to design the second graph at this location. This location is empty. Suppose I have to design the graph at this location. Then what to do? gr2 is equal to figure dot add subplot. Let the location is 332. Now what is the meaning of 332? I am going to divide this block into 3 into 3, means 3 rows and 3 columns. I am going to divide this into 3 boxes, or you can write 2 into 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. After that, I can set the face color of this block also. Let the face color is blue. Then gr2 dot plot. The second graph is x comma y2, and let the color is white followed by stars. Let's execute this one. You can represent the content. This one is the graph of sin x and this one is parabola. Suppose I have to label both the graphs, then what to do? I can write here PLT dot title. I can write here parabola like this one, then execute. You can represent the content, and similarly if I am changing the position 2 into 3 into 3, I can change the location. Look at this one, 2 into 3 into 3. What is the meaning of this? 2 rows and 3 columns, and at third position. This one is the graph and this one is parabola. One more thing you can do, you can write PLT dot x label and you can write here x axis, PLT dot y label, you can write here y axis. Now execute the content. You can write x axis and y axis. This one is for outer content. This one is the bigger block basically. And what next? Suppose I am copying this content and pasting here. I am writing here in place of parabola sin x, x axis and y axis. In place of x axis and y axis, suppose I am writing angle and then I am writing sine of that particular angle. Now execute the program. You can represent all the contents. This one is parabola and this one is sin x and this one is angle and this one is sine of the angle. Suppose I have to represent one more graph, that is cos x, at this location. Then what to do? I can add one more thing. Y3 is equal to NP dot cos x and the location is, I can copy this content, all this content and paste here, and the location is 1. Let the color is green and the variable is y3 and the graph is of cos x and I have to write cos of angle. Okay, let's execute this one. You can represent the graph here also. In this way, you can design the graph inside particular graph and you can give the label also. This one is parabola. This one is the representation of inner graph. Outer graph of this content means base graph parabola. This parabolic graph is there. And this one is cos x and this one is of sin x. All the three contents are there. You can save the image, mat 6, and you can represent this particular image. This one is the content. You can explain later to the students related to this. This one is sin x and this one is cos x and this one is parabolic content. Means if you would like to represent the graph inside one particular graph, then you can implement this content. Thanks for watching my video.